So what were the biggest challenges you had while organizing your show in Ukraine?
When we are talking about specific situation, when we were organizing our first trade mission to London, not every our participants could cross the border, despite they have every document that they need. But because we have restrictions to cross the border for men especially, some of them didn't came up to the trade show. Our organization team worked as trade agents and sell their products and companies to the buyers. And but this situation and it happened after this trade show more times again. Encourage us to develop new service for our members, and now they can hire a trade agent. These agents will represent their companies at the trade shows. So they just need to, for example, bring their furniture to the show, and everything from the sales side will be done by our team. And also, what usually we have as a problem is logistics, because it's quite difficult to be on time, to deliver everything. And when you have a lot of companies, it's also quite a challenge, what Oksana told me. And for example, the last time when they went to Medlepolska, and because of the blockade of the borders by the Polish agriculture, farmers, they really have had a tough time to be on time, but everything everything was fine. And also budgeting on the trade show, when you're organizing national stand on international trade show, it's also quite challenging because it's growing all the time, and the final budget is different from what few team plan like at first. But here we can what I should say that we have quite a big support from different donor organizations. For example, USAID, EDGE, USAID CEP, UIZ. And these donors also helped us to cover budget for organization trade shows.